won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. I'm going to be doing another clean with me video. I'm just going to be cleaning up the downstairs a little bit and then doing some laundry here at the end. I have both of my kids with me on this day that I was filming, so you're going to see them pop in and out a lot. I was going to delete a lot of the clips where they're just kind of running crazy, but I think it kind of explains mom life, so I decided to leave them in just to kind of showcase that. But anyway, just like last time, I'm going to be popping in here and there just to kind of explain some things every so often. So anyway, I hope you guys like it.
Put on my favorite song, I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck.
This is where my son sits for every single meal just about, and he is the absolute messiest, so I'll be spending way more time on this chair than any of the others.
Because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang. I want you there right by my side, baby, please, to hold me tight throughout the night. Hey.
And here you can see all of the mess that I just pushed off the chair and the counter just from one meal of my son eating.
Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Oh, yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, I keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, oh, ooh, let's turn up the love.
Yes, this is the bathroom cleaner from Method, but I'm a little bit of a rebel here, so I'm going to be using it in the kitchen just to kind of clean off the sink.
Let's turn up the love.
Yeah, you think you got the best of me, but just because I'm giving you my love for free, are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for fun. Late night to hear love guns. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own. On my own. No, you don't hear when I told you how I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
So during our move process, we lost the extender to this vacuum cleaner and the attachments. So my back posture has gotten so horrible, and I'm blaming it all on this vacuum cleaner because I'm bending down constantly 30 times a day with this thing to get everything off the floors. But thank the Lord, we just got the Dyson, which is so much easier. So you'll be seeing that in the next video.
Oh, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done. That we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head.
Here is my sweet, sweet angel Jaden. I don't think he was in the last video because I think he was at school, but he was home with me this day and I'm just obsessed with him in case you can't tell. Okay, so I'm a very clean person, but I'm not the most organized person. I just shove everything from my counters, most of the time just straight into the drawers, and I know I'm not the only person that does that.
There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow.
Y'all, just look how much laundry this is. And this is mainly just between my two kids. Mine and my husband's stuff aren't really in this load at all. So clearly we go through a whole bunch of laundry here, which means I'm always folding it and very rarely putting it away. So I think that's why it adds up all the time.
I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement that explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win in every way. Win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. 'Cause I'm the winner, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yes, I'm the winner, yeah.
I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true. It doesn't even matter how hard I try, 'cause when I hear your voice, my walls come down. Boy, you are the only thing I want. There must be a way I can make you see that if we fell in love, it will be so sweet. But when it's you and me, nobody can bring us down, bring us down. I don't wanna love you if you don't love me back. 'Cause I don't wanna love you if you don't love me back. Yeah, I've been waiting too long for you. Oh, I don't wanna love you if you don't love me back. Say you wanna hear me call your name.
Okay guys, that is all for my video today. I'm just gonna finish loading this laundry up in this basket and then just let it sit in there and not put it away for 2 weeks while it all piles back up. So anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe if you're new. I'm new here too, so we can be new together. But again, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I'm gonna try and get out a couple videos per week. So I hope you guys come back for the next one, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you guys want to be friends. We could be buddies, like each other's stuff, or just subscribe to the channel if you just want to see some videos. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one.